Hi, I'm Neil Screeton of Screeton's Limited Chartered Accountants. Coming up to the end of October and indeed the end of January, it's self-assessment tax return time, and I just wanted to go through sort of the deadlines and the penalties involved and how to get around these things sometimes. So a couple of deadlines for self-assessment tax returns: 31st of October if you choose to send in a paper return, and 31st of January if you do it online. Now, Revenue Customs are very sort of black and white with the deadlines, so if you do not get it in by the 31st of January, then you will get a penalty of £100. Now, bear in mind, you may have a situation where you get a penalty, but really you didn't need to have sent a tax return in the first place. If you are self-employed 1 year and then not self-employed the next year, you must let Revenue Customs know, otherwise they will automatically send you a return and you'll get a penalty if you don't send it in. That's one thing to bear in mind. However, if there was no need for you to send one in, you can appeal against a penalty. The real killer with the penalties is when they start charging £10 a day. That happens from the 1st of May onwards, and that can rack up to £900 in total. Now, if you get that situation and it turns out that you should have done a return, there is a way to appeal against that. Because of Revenue Customs' way of calculating the penalties, they will not let you know that the penalties are accruing until after they've been charged. So you can appeal on the grounds that they didn't send you notification of those penalties. Something to bear in mind, and it can save you a lot of money in terms of penalties. Finally, there's a £300 penalty if you're more than 6 months late. That's also appealable under the same circumstances. Now, just bear in mind, the key thing is the deadline. Meet the 31st of January deadline. Even if you don't have exact figures, send in a provisional return and then you can send actual figures in afterwards. But don't be late, because they will charge you £100. And obviously, if you need assistance, we're here. We can help you with self-assessment tax returns. We're at info@screetons.co.uk, 01827 715 264, www.screetons.co.uk. Thank you.